everyone, welcome back. Lulu's Custom Paintings on Ocean Stones. I'm starting a new painting of an adorable little pup again, which you can see that I'm posting here for you. And I'm not sure, I'll have him sitting on a little bit of a pillow. And I hope you enjoy this. These are original resined by me ocean stones from the Cape, Massachusetts. They're all very smooth rocks from the ocean. They've been there washing up on shore for quite many years, so they're really nice stones to paint on. And once they're painted, I'll be resining them once again, so they're permanent. They won't wash off. You can keep them inside, outside. They should last for years and years and years to come. And I hope you enjoyed my work and my music, and please feel free to subscribe, leave messages, or share my page with your friends. Also, you'll have information on here if you're interested in purchasing one. I do sell these, and they're all custom made by photographs that are sent to me. As well as, if you would like, you can have a free YouTube video as I'm doing this one, so you'll be able to see the process of the work, whether it be a glass, stone, whatever work I do, step by step. So that's a nice little free addition. Thank you, and thank you for watching.